Hi everyone, thank you for the 12 subscribers that signed up today. If you would like, maybe share the videos if you think somebody would want to see them, and encourage them to like the videos as well. It'll help the algorithm, and maybe we can go live. You're releasing something. I don't know what it is. Only you will know. It's bittersweet. It's now come to completion, or it's about ready to. You have insecurity surrounding it. You're gaining balance. You are getting your self-worth back. You have gratitude. And you're up for renewal. You'll do fine.